Welcome to Scottsdale, Arizona. Today we're heading over to check out some of the Super Bowl happenings. Both teams are in town, and the NFL is hosting out in Glendale. But a lot of events are taking place in Scottsdale, so I was excited to get over here and check out what's going on. I know that the Kansas City Chiefs are staying in a hotel just up the street about a mile. I also know that the Philadelphia Eagles are staying a little closer to the other side of the valley. Glendale is actually a full 60 minutes from here. But for the last two Super Bowls, Scottsdale has gone out of its way to create an environment where people come out and visit. You can see passing a little beer tent on the right. Traffic's pretty heavy. We're currently heading south on Scottsdale Boulevard, right through Old Town Scottsdale. Flags and the bunting. Cafes and beer gardens look pretty full. We're going to head up here and then we're going to take a left into the heart of Old Town. Coming up on Indian School Road right ahead of us. Then we should see the famous Scottsdale sign pop up on the right. This is really one of the joys of living around here. You've got national championships, spring training. Now you have the Super Bowl, and actually the Super Bowl's been here twice in the last 10 years. It's really all about that sun up in the upper right hand corner of the camera shot there, right? The ability to have a 70-degree day in the middle of January when everybody else right now across the country is digging themselves out of 13, 14 feet of snow. From California to New York, winter's hitting hard, but not here. You know you're in Old Town Scottsdale when you see those little round signs pop up on the screen. On the left is the heart of Old Town. Restaurants, shopping. On the right is more art. There's galleries over there. More of an upscale sort of vibe. While it looks busy, it doesn't look too busy just yet. This is one of the most historic old towns in all of the Southwest. It's amazing when you think of the overlap of history and the culture of the Southwest and Arizona and the modern day Scottsdale, which is home to Fortune 500 CEOs and calls to tourists from all over North America and beyond. There you go, popping. Let's go right here as we're reaching the end of the Old Town area. Turning on 2nd off of Scottsdale. Now we're heading east towards Phoenix. In the far distance is Camelback Mountain. You can kind of see it peeking over the top of those buildings on the right. We're going to head up here and turn right again. Old Town Scottsdale, the architecture, the old with the new. It's a lot of fun. So now we're heading back north. This takes us back up to the west side of Old Town Scottsdale. And there's the famous statue of the Pony Express up ahead. There's a lot of shops and galleries. There's the statue right ahead of us. And here's some folks. Lots of snowbirds in town from Canada, and as I mentioned, from all over North America. International as well. Now that COVID has sort of run its course here in the area, the walls have come down and people are traveling from all over the world. So up ahead, coming into view, is the main hub for the Super Bowl celebration. It looks like the road is closed. So let's see which way we can go. We already went right on Scottsdale. Let's go left. Check that out. I'll slow down a little bit so you can get extra peek. That looks like fun. The giant letters and numbers in there. If you check out some of my other videos, you'll know that that's an area where you can pull in, you can shop. They have like some pretty large shops in there, Western wear, art and so forth. That's a lot of traffic. Let's go left and we'll loop back around and see if we can't get a little closer or what our options are here. So we're now on the intersection of Scottsdale Road and Indian School. We're going to turn left and head west on Indian School and then loop back down around and see what we can see. I did not get an arrow, so I'm going to do the best I can here. But you can feel the traffic picking up just since we've been here. Oop, someone got honked at. That was not me. Alright, heading west as I mentioned. We're going to come up here and turn left. There's Camelback again, popping up over the right hand side, that little mountain in the distance. You can see some more shops. Old Town's broken into a couple different areas. This is the riverfront on the right hand side. I have another video, I'll put it in the comment section below, but you can go and look at the river walk there and how it sort of ties in with the modern hotels and the modern mall that's been built on the other side of the river, or the canal. It's really a canal. We call it a river, but that's because we live in the desert. You can see some upscale shopping on the right, on the left as well. I love the big palm trees, right? There's the Pony Express statue coming at it from the other side. Then we're going to go to the right here and see. So it looks like the roads are closed off. So not a lot going on. You know, there's some tourists in town. I bet you it's going to really pick up. This is the upscale area I mentioned of Scottsdale. Old Town Scottsdale is one of my favorite places to visit. It's phenomenal. Check out my other videos and you'll see where we've really documented a lot of the drives around Old Town Scottsdale. It's a lot of fun. So check them out, and thanks for joining me on this drive around Old Town Scottsdale, Super Bowl week 2023.
Thanks so much for joining me today. If you have a location that you'd like us to drive to, leave it in the comments below. I'll grab the camera and we'll head that way. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to Dewey's World, will you do me a favor and do that, as well as click the like button and the bell? That'll keep you up to date on the latest from Dewey's World. These videos are so fun to make. I hope you've enjoyed watching it, and thanks so much for coming out on this drive with me.